It's Cardi B hair transformation. Hey guys, how are you all doing? How are you doing? I hope you guys are popping. You guys, as you can tell, I'm coming more often here. Because I love you guys and I love seeing you guys and I love making videos for you guys. Please encourage me. Like my videos, comment down below and tell me I am popping. Okay, so today we have another hair installation video, and today I'll be using hair from MSCOCO. Okay, before I proceed, I would like to show you guys the unboxing of this hair so you guys can see the hair in its glory, and then we'll be back. So this is MSCOCO hair. So this hair came like so in this cute box, beautiful box. And that's the hair, beautiful. It has a lot of accessories. So I have to prep the hair, of course. So I'm prepping the hair, I pluck the hair, I pat the hair because I want a side parting, okay? So guys, this is the wig, okay? Beautiful, right? Beautiful wig from MSCOCO, okay? I'm gonna put the link to MSCOCO wig in the description box, okay? So that's the wig ready to install. This wig is HD lace, okay? The lace is different, as you can tell here. So this is regular lace. This is real HD lace, and this is transparent lace, okay? This is transparent. The one we have today is real HD lace. So this wig is gonna be melted, okay? So yes, we're gonna install this wig now. Okay, so installation time. It's Cardi B hair transformation. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this middle. So I'm gonna do the middle first. Very natural install. So guys, now I'm gonna tie the front. I am popping. So guys, frontal installed, baby hair done. So now let's tie the front, so it's cute. That's that, guys. I'm gonna quickly do my makeup and I'll be back. Okay, makeup done. Woo. So now let's tongue Miss Coco hair. Miss Coco. You guys, look at this hair. Feels so nice. Look at this hair in its natural texture. Like, beautiful. So that's part first, and then let's do it. Cardi B is coming up. Cardi B. Okay, my name is B. Okay, so somehow, yes, I have B in my name. So Chi B. I'm coming up. Cardi B upcoming. Wow. All tongued. Ooh. Let's take this out. Oh my God. So guys, I'm gonna apply little powder. Let's try to do the Cardi B style, okay? The Cardi B style, we're gonna try to do that now. So guys, that's the finished look. Like I said, this hair is from Miss Coco. It's HD lace, as you can tell. Do you see how it melted? It melted, you can't even tell, okay? This looks like my hair, okay? This is my hair, okay? This is not any lace. I'm not wearing no lace. Which lace? Where did you see the lace? This is my hair, okay? This is my hair. So yes, so guys, link to Miss Coco is going to be in the description box. Link to Miss Coco hair is going to be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. I love you guys. Bye guys.